ऑनरेबल आईएनबी और पार्लियामेंट्री अफेयर्स मिनिस्टर डॉक्टर एल मुरुगन हैं। हमारे साथ वीपी दोराईस्वामी जी, फॉर्मर मेंबर ऑफ पार्लियामेंट और स्टेट तमिलनाडु से वाइस प्रेसिडेंट हैं बीजेपी के हमारे। पॉन बालायाना पाथी स्टेट जनरल सेक्रेटरी हैं। श्रीमती कार्तियायानी स्टेट जनरल सेक्रेटरी हैं और एक्स मेयर थी। और डॉक्टर कुलायंत देवियल एक्स एमपी भी हमारे साथ हैं। तो मैं बोलूंगा, पहले से रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा कि डॉक्टर ऑनरेबल मिनिस्टर साहब आप बता दें सर। जी, थैंक यू।
नमस्कार। Today in this press conference with me, Sri Pratyusha ji, National Spokesperson, Bharatiya Janata Party, Sri VP Doraiswamy, Deputy Speaker, former Deputy Speaker, former MP, State Vice President of BJP, Sri Pon Balaganapati, State General Secretary BJP, Tamil Nadu, Srimati Kartiyani, State General Secretary, ex-mayor from Tamil Nadu, Sri Dr. Kulandevel, former MP, Kulandevel, friends from media, namaskar to you all. Today I came here to hold this press conference. The delegates is going to meet National SC Commission and National Human Rights Commission. The delegates headed by Sri VP Doraiswamy ji for the continuous atrocity against the Dalits in Tamil Nadu. After when the DMK government came to the power in 2021 May, after that the increase of Dalit atrocities is tremendous and double the atrocity against the Dalit. A survey is telling that each and every year more than 2,000 atrocity cases are filed against the Dalits. This is the only coming the light, or the cases are filed. Without filing cases are different. We are all aware that 2 days before in Chennai, there is a brutal murder against a Dalit leader. He is a national party state president, BSP state president. In this situation only, in Tamil Nadu, law and order situation is there. The total Tamil Nadu government and the state DMK government, the failure to maintain the law and order situation, and almost the atrocity against the Dalits are increased day by day. Previous 10 days before, there was an incident in Kallakurichi, illicit liquor case. Almost nearly 70 people died in that incident. Almost more than 40 persons belongs to the scheduled caste community. The Rahul Gandhi or Mallikarjuna Kharge, they didn't visit there. Rahul Gandhi is going to Hathras or he is going to somewhere. Why he don't know way to Tamil Nadu or Kallakurichi? Whether he didn't know, whether he didn't forgot the Tamil Nadu, he has to visit Tamil Nadu, he has to go to the Tamil Nadu to inquire about the illicit liquor victims' places. And I want to mention here how many incidents are here. I am bringing your attention few cases. From March 2022, there is a 22 years old scheduled caste girl raped by 8 men, including 2 DMK youth wing functionaries. On May 2022, there was an incident when Balachandar, he he worked BJP Tamil Nadu Scheduled Caste Wing. He also brutally murdered in the Chennai city itself. In August 2022, the Tamil Nadu Untouchability Eradication Front has conducted a survey in 24 districts. It's revealed that in local body panchayat presidents, they took survey in 386 villages. Out of 386 villages, 22 villages, the panchayat presidents, they are not provided the seats or the chairs for sitting purpose. This level discrimination is happening in Tamil Nadu. This level discriminations, even panchayat president they are elected representatives, they are unable to perform them duty, they are unable to go to them office, they are unable to sit them office due to the caste discrimination in the Tamil Nadu and the DMK government, ruled by the DMK government. And in August 2022, one Sudha Panchayat president near Salem, she was stopped in the Republic Day function. She was stopped to the flag hosting program. She is unable to host the national flag in the Panchayat office. In September, one DMK sitting minister, Ponmudi, in a public function, he is inquired about a lady about the caste, what is your caste, in a distribution program. See how a minister, he is a senior minister from DMK, he is asking one lady, she came for the public function, she is asking in that public function, you are from which community, whether you are scheduled caste. This level discrimination is increasing day by day, and also yesterday also in Madras High Court, there is one case, there was yesterday came in Vangavasal Pudukkottai district. The human feces is mixed in the water tank, the Vangavasal incident. After 2 years of the incident, still the accused are not identified, even the accused are not secured, even accused are not arrested in that incident. So this type of, even yesterday High Court expressed them inquiry, and within 2 weeks you conclude, you have to arrest and they have to come a concrete decision in this case. In January 2023, again a DMK functionary in Salem district, there is a temple festival, he is threatening the Dalit youth and he is abusing the Dalit youth, you don't enter the temple. So there is also no action. The Stalin took action and immediately within few months he revoked the action and he took again to join the DMK party. And April 2023, there was an incident in Chennai city, nearby Chennai. BJP state treasurer, SC Mocha treasurer, Shankar was brutally murdered. And in Kunnam, Perambalur district, a BJP functionary made a procession by the non-scheduled caste people. And in August 2023, there was a brutal murder against a student, brutal attack the student in Tirunelveli district. And another one more incident, a brutal murder by a local DMK functionary in Tirunelveli by to the BJP Tamil Nadu youth wing leader through Jagan Pandian. In Dindivanam, it is in Viluppuram district, the vice president of Dindivanam Municipal Corporation, she was not allowed to function and not given to sit in the stage because of she was she is belonging to the scheduled caste community. And a scheduled caste gentleman in November 2023 beaten up and urinated in the mouth of Gobichettipalayam near Erode district. And in January 2024, a DMK MLA in his housemaid are tortured, harassed, verbally abused by the DMK MLA's family. And in January 2024, a student from scheduled caste community attacked over the caste people in Pudukkottai district. In March 2022, an incident in Tirupur district, a youth belongs to the scheduled caste community was beaten in the school reunion function. And also in May 2024, a clash between two caste groups over members of the scheduled caste community entering the temple. So this is few incidents I mentioned here. So more than 2,000 incidents for a year. In recent one, Deepak Raja was brutally murdered in Tirunelveli district. So the scheduled caste leaders and scheduled caste people, they don't have security and they are facing harassment day by day under the DMK government. The DMK government claims that we are the pioneer of the social justice. No social justice they are not following. The Stalin don't have moral right to talk about the social justice. Because of the incidents I mentioned, day before yesterday, a Dalit leader, a social worker, and BSP's party state president murdered in the city itself, in the day itself. So where is the law and order? Totally the state government failure to maintain the law and order situation in the state of Tamil Nadu. Particularly the atrocities against the Dalits. So the delegation led by our senior leader, Dr. VP Durisamy, they are going to hand over the memorandum to the National SC/ST Commission as well as National Human Rights Commission to take appropriate action against the state government in the Stalin government. Thank you very much.
Any questions?
ऐसी लंबे समय से घटनाएं हो रही हैं तमिलनाडु में और हमने देखा कि बीएसपी के राष्ट्रीय अध्यक्ष इस तरह से हत्या हुई और चर्चा इस मामले पर हो गई। तो आप क्या कहने जा रहे हैं एससी कमीशन को? क्या उनको आप कहेंगे कोई जांच की सिफारिश या क्या?
इसलिए ये डेलीगेशन आज आए थे। ये डेलीगेशन आप जानते हैं तमिलनाडु में इतना अट्रॉसिटी अनुसूचित जाति लोग का ऊपर तमिलनाडु में हो रहा है। ये नेता का भी उधर सुरक्षा नहीं है, ये नेता का भी अटैक होगा। इसलिए हम जाएंगे। एक सीबीआई ऑलरेडी हम डिमांड किया 2 इंस्टेंट में। हमारा बीजेपी साइड और नेशनल प्रेसिडेंट आल्सो माननीय नड्डा जी demanded CBI inquiry in the Kallakurichi incident, and we are the BSP family and Armstrong family, and we are also demanding the Armstrong incident for the inquiry, CBI inquiry. And as well as आज हमारा डेलीगेशन जाएंगे, मेमोरेंडम दे देंगे, तमिलनाडु गवर्नमेंट से एक इंक्वायरी करेंगे इतना अट्रॉसिटी में एक्शन लेना, क्या क्या एक्शन लिया, क्या एक्शन लेने वाला था। इसलिए हमारा बीजेपी हमारा प्रदेश अध्यक्ष अन्नामलाई जी ने एक टीम भेजा आज, और आज ये जाके उनका मिलके मेमोरेंडम दे देंगे। Today they are going to meet National Commission for Scheduled Caste and Human Rights Commissions. So I mentioned so many incidents in Tamil Nadu, so many incidents. This is the one particular incidents only I mentioned. For a year, almost 2,000 incidents are reporting. It is a survey conducted by an untouchability friend. And also, you see, 2 months before, there was a Congress leader murdered. The accused still not arrested. It's not for belong scheduled caste community, but I am talking about the law and order situation, I am telling. And 2 ADMK functionaries murdered. There is no action. Here what we demand, the totally DMK government failed to maintain law and order situation, and they are unable to give the suraksha, and they are unable to stop the atrocity against the Dalits. That's why our delegation is going to meet Scheduled Caste Commission as well as Human Rights Commission. सर दोनों मामला के भी सीबीआई कर इंक्वायरी चाहिए, एक कल्लाकुरिची मामला में, दूसरा बीएसपी लीडर का मामला में भी.
सर राहुल गांधी हो या आपने जिक्र भी किया, कोई भी जो विजिलेंस है उत्तर प्रदेश तमिलनाडु में जो शराब से मौतें हुई है उस पर कोई बयान आधिकारिक तौर पर नहीं दिया, वहाँ गए भी नहीं.
उनका रास्ता भूल जाते हैं. ये राहुल गांधी और मल्लिकार्जुन खड़गे और स्टालिन, उनका इंडिया अलायंस का स्टेट में कुछ होएंगे तो उधर जाने के लिए मन भी नहीं आते. इतना लगभग 70 लोग मर गया उधर. आज तक राहुल गांधी ने एक कंडोलेंस मैसेज भी नहीं दिया. इवन मल्लिकार्जुन खड़गे भी एक कंडोलेंस मैसेज भी नहीं दिया. हाथरस जाने के लिए रास्ता उनका मालूम है, क्यों तमिलनाडु जाने के लिए रास्ता नहीं मालूम है क्या? और नहीं तो हम भी उनका मदद करेंगे तमिलनाडु जाने के लिए, उनका रास्ता बोलेंगे, उनका मदद करेंगे जाने के लिए. If he needs, our BJP Tamil Nadu provide flight tickets also to him. All the cases I mentioned here, all the cases.
Sir, is Tamil Nadu becoming a killing spree state after Kerala? Usually Kerala is the one more involved in this kind of incident. Now Tamil Nadu is getting.
Yes, they already you mentioned in Kerala like this communal violence, West Bengal communal violence. Now Tamil Nadu is going in that route. The DMK government used to tell that we are the peaceful state, but we are the pioneer for the social justice. But here, see how many Dalits are attacked, how many Dalits are facing discrimination, how many social exploitation against the Dalits. So for that, we are approaching the commission. Tamil la solluma?
Yes.
So as recently the new criminal laws have been rolled out, so the Tamil Nadu government has ordered to set up a committee so that amendments can be made to these laws that suits the law and order situation in the state. What do you like to say?
See, the law passed by both the houses and took a various consultation and various form, various field experts, they given the suggestions. After the suggestions, the carefully law passed, they have to come forward to implement this laws. இன்றைக்கு தமிழ்நாடு பாரதிய ஜனதா கட்சியிலிருந்து மரியாதைக்குரிய திரு மாநில துணைத் தலைவர் மரியாதைக்குரிய திரு விபி துரைசாமி அவர்கள் தலைமையில் திரு பொன் பாலகணபதி அவர்களும் மாநில பொதுச் செயலாளர் திருமதி கார்த்தியாயினி அவர்கள், முன்னாள் பாராளுமன்ற உறுப்பினர் திரு குழந்தைவேல் அவர்கள், இந்த 4 பேரும் தேசிய பட்டியல் கமிஷனையும் தேசிய மனித உரிமை கமிஷனையும் சந்தித்து தமிழ்நாட்டில் நடந்து கொண்டிருக்கின்ற வன்கொடுமைகள், குறிப்பாக பட்டியலின மக்களுக்கு எதிரான வன்கொடுமைகள் சம்பந்தமாக அவர்கள் ஒரு மனு கொடுக்க இருக்கிறார்கள். தமிழ்நாடு பாரதிய ஜனதா கட்சியின் சார்பில் தலைவர் திரு அண்ணாமலை அவர்களுடைய ஆணைக்கின் இணங்க அவர்கள் இங்கு வந்திருக்கிறார்கள். அவர்கள் சென்று இந்த நான் ஏற்கனவே சொன்னேன் ஆம்ஸ்ட்ராங் அவர்கள் வழக்கு, அதேபோல் கள்ளக்குறிச்சியில் தலித் மக்கள் பாதிக்கப்பட்ட வழக்கு, அதேபோல் கிட்டத்தட்ட ஒரு 25 வழக்குகளில் அவர்கள், குறிப்பாக வேங்கை வாயில் வழக்கு, இப்படி பிஜேபி ஃபங்க்ஷனரிஸ் அவங்க மேலே தாக்குதல் வழக்கு, இந்த வழக்குகள் எல்லாமே வழக்குகள் மேல் துரிதமான நடவடிக்கை எடுக்க வேண்டும். தமிழ்நாடு அரசாங்கம் தலித் மக்கள் மேலே, குறிப்பாக பட்டியலின மக்கள் மேலே இந்த திமுக அரசாங்கம் வந்ததிலிருந்து தொடர்ந்து தலித் மக்கள் மேல் வன்கொடுமை வழக்குகள் அதிகமாகிக் கொண்டிருக்கிறது. இந்த வன்கொடுமைகளுக்கு முற்றுப்புள்ளி வைக்க வேண்டும் என்பதற்காக இந்த குழுவானது இன்றைக்கு தேசிய பட்டியலின ஆணையத்தை சந்திக்க இருக்கிறார்கள். நன்றி, வணக்கம்.
जैसा कि ऑनरेबल मिनिस्टर ने आप लोगों को बताया कि हम लोग जो टीम आई हुई है ये जाएगी नेशनल एससी कमीशन और नेशनल ह्यूमन राइट्स कमीशन, जो सारे इश्यूज इन्होंने बताए हैं उसको लेके ये सारा डिटेल आप लोगों को प्रोवाइड हो जाएगा जितना केस का डिटेल दिया है सर ने. और थैंक यू वेरी मच.
थैंक यू. हम दे देंगे अभी दे देंगे.